I took this question quite steady and decided they're going to be capital X coins. Let's say there are n pirates, and each of them gets the same number of coins x, which means if we take the number of coins, divide by the number of pirates, that is going to be x. That is the first equation I can write down. But then I'm told that if there are 4 fewer pirates, so n minus 4, if we take the coins and divide by that number of people, then they would have got 10 more. So I can write this equation down. And then if there were 50 fewer coins, so c minus 50, but we divided by the number of pirates, then they would each receive 5 fewer coins. So 3 equations that we can try and solve. We're trying to find out ultimately what capital C is. So I can write down that capital C is equal to xn from this one. And in this one, I can write down that it's going to be x plus 10 times n minus 4. Now, before I do anything with the third equation, it feels a good idea to just sort out the first two. So I can replace c by xn, they're the same. You just like substitute it in, and then I'm going to get xn by multiplying out the bracket minus, so it's going to be minus 4x plus 10n minus 40. So these cancel, and I suppose I could write 4x plus 40 equals 10n. Okay, I won't do anything else with that at the moment, but I've got x related to n. Right, let's have a look at this third equation. So I can rearrange this to c minus 50 equals x minus 5 times n. But again, I can replace the c by xn. So it's going to be xn minus 50 equals xn minus 5n. Now actually this one is more useful because I'm just now got an equation involving n. It must be that capital N is equal to 10. Because of that, I can substitute it back into this one. So I'm going to get 4x plus 40 is equal to 100. And therefore 4x is equal to 60, so x is equal to 15. And we've got x, we've got n, so overall c is going to be 15 times 10. The number of coins that they dug up must have been 150. In the answers, they kind of do it just by setting two fractional equations up straight away. I quite like the way I've done it, to be honest. Just this just seems like a solid way to start any kind of question, and then there's other ways you could have combined it, but overall we're trying to get to what C is, and this is this is a pretty good way.